Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to have different footers and headers. And this is quite simple, but you need to know one thing that you need to do every single time that you want to change the header. Alright, this is the first header, so the header at the first page. And right now, if we do enter and create a new page, like here, you see that the header right here is exactly the same as the header right here. So what we need to do now is the next thing. Click here with your cursor and do insert and then go to break. And then what we need to do is do a section break, but for the next page. So click on that. Then what you need to do is go to the next page, click on this, and then unlink link to previous. Then what you can do is do chapter 1.2, and if you click here, just write this, you see that we have a complete different header than the header that we have there. Now you can also do this for the footer, so if you create page numbers under the page, you can do this on the exact same way. But keep in mind, every single time when you change the header, please place your cursor behind the text. Then go to insert and create a break for a next page, because this is what you need every single time. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.